Hi there, meteorologist Ed Valley here, taking a look at the Midwest and Ohio Valley, and we're dry here today. You look at the visible satellite imagery, you can see a little bit of cloud cover up north, a little bit down south, largely though a pretty nice Tuesday, a little low cloud activity in parts of Iowa. But for most areas, this should burn off this afternoon, and we're left with a fairly dry day today. A system is passing off to the south, should stay there, and really, it's mostly dry through tonight and even into early tomorrow. And you're going to notice tomorrow maybe a few showers in Kentucky, but most areas are dry. And even into tomorrow night, that's really when we're going to start watching for this next storm system, and you can see it as early as Wednesday night. You can see there's a cold front that's setting up here, and this is going to be driving southward, but it's going to be kind of the catalyst. You can see an area of low pressure is forming in Colorado, and that's going to move to the northeast along this cold front. So you notice Wednesday night, Thursday morning, there's the front. Let me show you a little bit closer here, looking at 2-meter temps. You can see where it is. It is northern Illinois, northern Missouri, east central Kansas. So what does that mean? Well, it means that this area of low pressure is going to form along it and to the south of it. So our friends to the north, Dakotas, Minnesota, northern Iowa, Nebraska, northwest Kansas, this storm is not for you. We're going to be dealing with more moisture down to the south. Okay. Now, the European and the GFS are a little different. The GFS has snow in Iowa. I think this is incorrect. I think it's too far north. Canadian, I'll just show you at 1 p.m. on Friday. And you can see for yourself kind of what I'm getting at. Because you look at this and you'll see Euro and Canadian pretty close. Euro, Canadian, but look at the GFS. Much further northwest. Snow in Iowa. I would, if I were a betting man, which I am, I would be betting that this will be a little bit too far northwest. So I think through Friday, it's a wet day in parts of Illinois, Indiana, Ohio. Early in the day, it's wet in southeast Iowa. And then through the afternoon, this will push away, but not before a pretty healthy amount of rain, anywhere from a half to an inch and a quarter from east central Kansas right through Missouri into Illinois and Indiana and Ohio. But the sharp cutoff is real, so just keep that in mind. Okay, now beyond this storm, we should dry out for the weekend. Saturday and Sunday both look good. Now Sunday night and Monday could be dealing with yet another system. We'll see how that kind of works out. That might linger into Tuesday as well. The GFS agrees it's a largely dry weekend, but then again, Monday night, Tuesday, a bigger system possible. So some moisture, which we could honestly use in a lot of areas. So early next week does look active. We'll worry about that as we get closer. We're also warm here this week. You notice we're warm tomorrow, but notice a little cooler as that front rolls through for Thursday and then the storm forms along it. It's cold Friday with that storm moving through, but we're warming it up Saturday and Sunday well into the 70s for some. And then we'll watch early next week as that storm traverses the Midwest, and that could bring us back down into the 50s and 60s. But overall, a pretty warm pattern moving forward, and one that is trending in the more active direction as well. So that's what we got for you today. Have a great Tuesday, and we'll be back here on Thursday with another video.